Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy Bitcoin on Kraken Pro. So go ahead and open up Kraken Pro. Okay, make sure to log in or verify via facial recognition. I'm gonna sign in using my account. Okay, and afterwards, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, of course, use the passkey or the facial recognition. Hit continue, use passkey. Okay, and you're gonna be able to easily log in to Kraken. All right. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and search for Bitcoin at the top, or you can find it right here at the bottom. Okay. Let me type Bitcoin, BTC. Okay, and select the first one. All right. You can go ahead and hit buy. Okay, and enter the amount of Bitcoin or the amount of USDT. Let's say $5. Okay, and then set up your TP in SL in order to stop the bleeding or stop the profit at the certain price. Okay, and then hit buy the USDT. Okay, so excuse me, buy the BTC or Bitcoin. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.